Today we are going to see about how to apply postgraduate diploma in mental health in Christian Medical College. Apply for a course. And then click on apply for distance education course. Click on apply for postgraduate diploma in mental health PGDMH. The last date for applying is August 15th. Read on eligibility criteria, program details. To apply for Indian citizen, amount is rupees 1000. Course fees for Indian citizen will be 80,000. Click on admission bulletin. Read admission prospectus clearly. You can learn lot of skills through this course. Non-doctors also can apply who want to be a mental health worker. Conduct program will be there. Total of 12 days, 6 days in CMC Vellore, 6 days in Madhya Pradesh, list of skills you will learn through this course. Course fee will be 80,000. Exit exam is there to get a certificate. Anyone can apply. Weightage will be given for those who are working in government service, mission hospitals, working in needy areas. Annexure 3 will be there. You can get declaration certificate of worked in needy areas. Okay, now we are going to see how to apply. Okay. Documents needed: MBBS degree certificate, medical council certificate, photo, scanned signature copy, certificate of declaration of work in needy areas, enter your name, mother's name, state registering, enter your respective state, enter your temporary and permanent address, and all the details. Enter your academic details. Then fill your experience after completing MBBS. Explain crisp points about what for you are taking this course. Then fill all the details accordingly. Upload your documents in PDF form. Then do digital signature with the mouse. Then upload the letter declaring your place of work. If you can fill the application in single session, then save and fill another time. Okay, now we are going to see about postgraduate diploma.
Hello everyone,
in mental health.
I am Johan.
Details.
I am a psychiatrist working at Distance Education Unit of Christian Medical College, Vellore in India. I coordinate the PGDMH course, the Postgraduate Diploma in Mental Health, with a distance component that is delivered through online modules and a face-to-face component which is the contact programs. Now these online modules are not just PDFs that have been put up on the net. It's delivered in an interactive way with this lot of text which is given in a very simple language, so that it's called as a self-learning module format, so that the candidate can get the information quite easily. And then we have added interactive diagrams where they can interact with the diagrams and learn material. There are video discussions which clarify the material that they have read. There are quizzes, take a breaks, and assignments where students can actually test their knowledge, their prior knowledge, or the knowledge that they've learned in the course, and get immediate feedback. So the whole material is presented in a way that which is interesting, interactive, and keeps the learner engaged in the distance component. But that's not all. That's just half of the course. There's also this face-to-face contact program. Yeah, the contact program, there are 2 contact programs, 6 days each, where it's more like a flipped classroom where the person does the pre-reading and then they come during the contact program where the various teaching learning methods are being used. and also the skills are being taught and being practiced.
So there's not lots of boring lectures.
Yes, it's more of interactive sessions.
That's good. So they'll keep the learner engaged throughout the whole course and
And to add some more variety, we have the contact program in two locations. Like the first contact program is done here at Vellore, where they're seeing a good tertiary care hospital also. And the second one is done in a primary or secondary care hospital in a rural area. So we've got a few partner hospitals that provide us the locations. So we do the second contact program there, so they get hands-on experience of primary care work in the community.